Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore priority notifications on iPhone after the iOS 18.5 update. The first thing you want to do here is of course checking what's happening on your iPhone. Is your notifications really gone? So first thing you're going to do is maybe you're just going to be on DND. To check on DND, just scroll down and look here under focus. As you can see right there, I am currently inside DND. Just remove one of each right there. Choose one, make sure nothing is selected, so your notifications will be pushed back to you. Going back on settings right here, just choose focus and just choose anything here. Make sure that your set schedule option is disabled, same as one right there. As you can see, my end is off, meaning I don't have a personal focus schedule as of now, so I don't get disrupted whenever I'm waiting for my notifications to pop out. That's gonna be one of the few things that's really important here. Next up, check that your VPN is off and your internet connection is stable by using your Wi-Fi and not your just data section right there. As you can see right here, I'm currently using cellular data and this Wi-Fi at the same time. Just make sure one of each is turned on. That being said, your notifications right now will be fixed soon. Next up, going on settings right here, we're just gonna check for VPN if it's off. So I'm gonna type VPN here, VPN device management. Make sure this is not connected. Next up, we're gonna restart our phone by holding the lower volume key and power button at the same time. So I cannot really do right now because it might ruin the recording. But for that one, just choose on the lower volume key and the power button at the same time. Next up, going to the App Store, making sure that everything here is updated, and click on this one, choose on apps, and choose the one that's need to be updated. So that's really important. Maybe one of your applications is not really updated, right? And moving forward right here, go to notifications by going to settings. Give me a second here. I'm just gonna type in here notifications. Making sure everything is good, especially when choosing an application individually that their notification is turned on. That's really important moving forward. And now if everything is still wrong, nothing's working, last option is under settings. Go in general. At the very bottom, there is a reset option. Just reset your phone all the way and you'll be good to go. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.